Imagine turning any business idea you have into a 24/7 sales machine in just 1 minute. I've found a tool that can build you a complete website or sales funnel using AI. All you need to do is give it your business idea. And within seconds, it creates a professional website and high converting funnels in any language, for any niche, and for any type of business. The tool is called Funnels, and it's currently one of the most powerful AI tools for building landing pages, websites, and funnels with almost no effort. But before we dive into the details, let's first check out the demo video and see how it actually builds a full funnel or website using AI. Before we play it though, please make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're into tools that help you grow your digital business, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget, the link to the tool is right below in the description. Try it yourself and see how much time and effort you can save when building your next project. All right, let's roll the demo.
Hello pal, I am Dr. Amit Parikh, the CEO and founder of .com-pal, and in this short demo, I'm going to show you how I'm managing all the businesses, my software business, my affiliate marketing business, and all my launches business inside .com-pal funnels. And how you can launch your from idea to your funnels and websites, which drives you sales and leads 24/7 in just few minutes. I'll demonstrate live in front of you. So stay tuned with me. So I'm inside my dashboard. In the dashboard, I can see my visitors, leads, sales, and revenues, my top performing funnels and recent funnels, my top performing pages, and recent pages. To show you this, our landing page generated over 11,000 views and obviously leads and sales for us. Okay, so you get the quick links here, and if you need any assistance, we have more than 100 videos for you to go through, and we do twice a month live sessions to help you grow online with our live sessions, live trainings. Okay, in the left panel, you see you can build beautiful funnels to drive you more leads and sales in 24/7 autopilot. You can launch a brand online, even help local businesses launch their website live, all using AI in just few minutes. And then you have marketing tools like pop-ups and bars. You have audiences for .com-pal, where we are managing all the audiences. Like we have 34,000 plus users of .com-pal we are managing as a CRM. We are giving the lead score and everything for our users, and we manage our customers, we manage their communication, all inside the leads as a CRM. In future, we are going to build the pipelines so you can drive more sales from your leads. You can check the analytics part. You can go to the My Drive, where we keep all your files, your videos, your audios, your images, and optimize them to drive deliver them lightning fast speed. We have more than 40 plus integrations, and we are providing you our API. When it comes to our platform, you can set up in the right side, you can set up your profile, you can manage all your business and your client business and your team members here to run your full-flown agency, and charge your customers thousands of dollars for managing their business, okay, to generate them leads, helping them launch their websites and funnels. And then we have affiliate program, and for the release of your relaxation of your eyes, you can use the dark mode. In night, I use the dark mode for everything, but I personally prefer the light one. All right, so without further ado, let me launch your idea, transform your idea into a sales generating machine in just few minutes in front of you. For example, let me take an AI prompting consulting business. Okay, so what you do, just add a new business here. Then AI Pal will create a custom dashboard for your newly created business and ask you just 3 questions to feed the AI. So let me take the example, the business name. It is Study Hub, which teach people about AI prompting, teach marketers and digital creators using AI prompting for growing their business. Okay, And then it asks you what kind of business is this. It's coaching and consulting business. You can obviously, if you are e-commerce sellers, you are local business, every kind of business can be launched using .com. So you need to choose which kind of your business nature, and then create the AI. So it write content for you, create drives you leads and sales 24/7. Okay, so you can choose either funnel creation or website creation to launch you in minutes. Okay, so I am choosing because sales are built for driving results. Okay, so let me go inside funnels. You can choose like nine or 10 strategies we have, and inside one strategy we have like multiple templates to use. For let's say a study hub, I want to launch a free lead generation campaign, and my business color is, I think, blue. So let me choose the color blue. See this, everything is changed beautifully, right? According to me, according to my brand. And just choose this template, checklist, lead generation for now. Okay, free checklist for digital creators to launch to skyrocket their business with AI. Okay, and then create AI, create funnel. So AI pal is setting up design for you. It is going to write all the content for all the pages in this funnel. Like 2 pages are there in this funnel and 6 sections are there in each pages. So around 10 to 12 sections it is going to write, and managing the style, your brand fonts, your brand color, everything is all set with AI pal. And boom, see this, your funnel is live in draft. What you can do, second step you can use our freeflow editor, which is actually replace all the old style 1990s style grid style editors. This is Canva style, beautiful and very easy to use. Now what you can do, you can make it perfect, right? Just go here and just ask AI to write. You can make it, rephrase it if you like. Empower marketers with AI skills. See this, let me use it. Okay, and it's a drag and drop, pixel perfect. Wherever you want, you can use, you can just drag and drop. It's super easy, super simple. And let me instruct AI, and let me make it bold, little bold, because I want to put some effort, like put some highlighter, and please make this subheadline of 15 words longer. Okay, for my AI prompting course. Simple. AI is going to go with you and help you launch super fast. So just use this. See this? Level up content creation speed by 10x with your AI prompt engineering course. Empower marketers with AI skills. See this headline. And see, you can do what you do. You can change the entire text, entire section with just one. Oh, beautiful. Like everything is replaced, rephrased with AI. And again, you can do make it longer. Again, it will make it long, right? Study Hub aims to provide comprehensive training and guidance. Actually, it's make this headline, please, with 15, 10 words. It is actually writing in detail because 10 words. Okay. It is specific because we are providing you. Whoa, wow. See this. Transform your. So we actually wrote everything in front of you with AI. Okay. So all the thing is done using the power of AI, and your funnel is ready to go. And now, second step, this is the first thing which make us better and different than other funnel builders out there, website builders out there. So AI is doing everything, almost most of the part, styling, designing, and writing for you. And second thing is our freeflow editor. Let me delete it and show you like different kind of look and feel. Okay, you can do that. So everything is like drag and drops. You have multiple elements here, headlines here, paragraphs here, images. You have like more than access to more than 1 million stock images here. You have icons, 2000 plus icons here, which you can for the different parts like mobile phones, love for the emotion sharing, icons, WordPress, LinkedIn, all kinds. Stripe, if you are trying to show Stripe payment gateway somewhere to boost your conversions, right? Boost the emotions. And then containers, all the containers are again in your brand color and font styling. So it's ready to go and ready to save your hours of your time, which you can use to grow your business, right? So we are making it 3x easier and quicker for you to launch your business from your idea. Okay, and after that you have lead forms, you have buttons, you have videos, you have timers, and much more as an element. Now come to the another section, that is designer section, right? Let me create one designer section in front of you. We have 300 plus AI powered designer sections which you can use for your business. So let me share one of the anything you can use. Let me create one in front of you. So you see this section, and it is again AI powered. This is for yoga, right? And let me change it in front of you for AI prompting. And then if you don't like it, you can change the entire section. See this beautiful headline. And which not just showing you conversions and visitors, it is showing you all the like detailed operating system, browsers, devices, and we have my drive where you have all the files, right? All the videos, images, and all files you can deliver to your clients, right? And then we have 40 plus integrations here. So you just go here and all the autoresponders are here, right? All the CRM platforms are here, all the webinar platforms are there, content providers, drives, my Dropbox, OneDrive, payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, Bid, JVZoo, VeriPlus, everything is able to integrate. So we have everything you need to launch your business, manage your business, and scale it all inside .com/Pal. We have tons of more features, 50 plus more features, but it's hard to explain in this short demonstration. Hopefully you like this powerful but simple solution to launch your business and scale it. So stay tuned. We are on mission to make it 3x easier, 3x more result generated, and 3x affordable to our customers. So stay tuned with us. See you inside the members area.
All right, so now that we've just watched the demo video and seen exactly how Funnels works, you saw how it literally builds full funnels and websites in minutes. No coding, no design headaches, just pure AI magic doing all the heavy lifting for you. Honestly, I don't think I could add much more than what we saw in that demo. It perfectly sums up what this tool can do. Right now, you can grab Funnels with all the features you just saw for only $37. And that's lifetime access, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Plus, it even comes with a commercial license, which means you can use it for client projects as well. And here's the best part, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's literally zero risk and 100% safe to try. Just click the link in the description, check out Funnels, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new tools I share every week. See you in the next one.